Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I will be swatching another random color from my nail polish collection. Just a really gorgeous color that caught my eye when I was browsing through my drawers. So let's just stop the rambling and start applying these polishes. And of course, if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. Hit that notification bell as well and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. But as usual, just grab your own nail supplies and paint your nails together with me. I won't be talking through this entire video, but some extra information about the polishes. I have actually gotten the colored polish through PR from hypnoticpolish.com, so if you're curious about them, they are actually located here in the Netherlands as well. They have some really beautiful indie brands, and I'm actually a regular customer at their web store as well. So yeah, big shout out to them for sending out this polish to me a little while ago. But for now, I'm just gonna quit the rambling. I really hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Let me know what you think about this color, as well as what color are you applying or wearing on your nails yourself at the moment. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much and I hope to see you in my next video as well.